Hi guys, welcome to Levon's Divine Touch. Today I wanted to go over my mannequin, how to set it up, because I kind of struggled, I'm not going to lie. It took me like 3 mannequins to figure out actually how to set them up on the tripod. So this is the box it came in. I got it from Amazon. I will leave the link in the description below. Excuse my background, I'm moving, but yes, okay, so that is the box. This is my mannequin. This is my wig. Hold on. Just take that off. This is my mannequin. And then so she comes with this piece that you can put on here. And you can hook it up to the counter so that she can stay on it and she's nice and sturdy when you're practicing on her. Or you can use an actual tripod. And hold on, let me show you guys how to put it on the tripod, because I struggled. Okay, so it comes with this, and let me show you guys. Okay. So it comes with this. What you would do is, you're gonna put this, hold on. It still gets me so confused. Okay, so you're gonna put this in there like that so it's stuck. So that in there. And then you're gonna screw it. My tripod came with my doll. You can buy them separate, but I didn't want to do that. So then you go like this, and your doll has a little hole at the bottom. And you just put it on there, and then you can move it. You can make it larger, smaller. This little knob right there. That's how it looks at the bottom. Okay, that's how you put it on there, and then I'm going to show you guys how to put it on the counter. So, I'm going to take that and screw that, and then still going to keep this same piece, and you're going to stick that in there, and then you're going to add this little part. Goes in there, and screw that on there real good, and it should look like that at the end. And then you just stick your mannequin in there, and then it has this little screw part at the bottom, so you'll just show you guys, you'll just put it on there just like that. And then you'll screw it at the bottom and it'll stay. Hold on. Let me move it so I can show you guys what it should look like. And then at the end, it should be on there just like that. Thank you guys for watching my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I really appreciate your likes and views. Have a great day.